best ships in all the galaxy, and Onaka Transport Solutions.
Well, one of the best ships in the galaxy just lost power and crashed into the fuel depot. That can't be good.
That's not the problem.
Totally empty queue at closing. I got in line 1 minute before the park closed. There's no one behind me and no one in front of me.
But this is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all. Dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I'm very little honor to insult.
What are the engines for?
We'll talk later.
I have to do everything around there.
This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You knock at my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get all the profits. What? The first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
Welcome aboard, recruits. We all right this way? Are we just one? Perfect, recruits. If you'd like to take a picture or anything, you're more than welcome.
Thank you.
We're pretty quiet right now.
Welcome, my friends, right this way. Nothing to be afraid of, yeah? Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you. Yes. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Only one pilot? You won't be able to steer with it. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. No, gunner. Auto weapons engaged. Right, pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked on to us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Right, pilot, brakes! Good work! could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that little car. Cargo is breaking, keep shooting! Good job, my friends! Yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! Let's get out of here! Yes! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Right, pilot! Hit the move! Move! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the Resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your god minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
This thing is practically scrap metal.